This is so hot here. It's midday, 12:30. We have another day of full heat. You can't believe it how hot it is here. But I want to show you the impression. Look, everybody's buying ice cream. That's the best idea, as I always say, to have like an umbrella in the sun, because this sun is so strong. You can't believe it. It's hot, hot, hot. And let's go around. And look, there's St. James Church, 12:30. And just to give you an impression how it is midday, Monday, after the youth festival, still a lot of people here. And let's check out St. James Church itself, how it looks here at the plaza. You see, many people. It's high season. Even in the sun, in the hottest moment of the day, you have it unbelievably hot. But I have to go in the shadow, and I will give you a little impression just to give you an impression how it looks. Oh, look at this. You understand the heat now? Look at these ones. So you see, it's incredible hot here. I think this picture with the dogs will convince you what I'm telling about the heat. It's an impressive heat which is there. And you see still people walking in the sun. Changes when you're in the shadow. And isn't she beautiful? There's Our Lady over there. And you hear languages from all over the world. I think this was Portuguese, like Brazilian Portuguese.